Guys, my name's Seth Fenby and this is an inspection by video. What I have is a Caterpillar 257B multi-terrain skid steer loader. We're just going to take a look at the major components on this machine. Here we have the serial number plate. Hour meter reading 1,717 hours. Left side track group on the machine. Left side track is probably 50 to 60% life left. Has pretty good tread. Sprocket or squirrel cages, these are getting pretty loose. They should probably be replaced at some point here. The bottom rollers are in good condition. The lugs up underneath are in good shape. None appear to be broken off. The right side track group. Right side track tread is probably 80 to 90% life left. It does have some scrapes and scratches in it, but the tread is really in pretty nice condition here. The right side sprocket or squirrel cages, they're loose as well. You can see there's pretty good play in those. The rollers are in really nice shape. Bogies underneath, they're in good condition. The bucket is not in the best operating condition. It does have a cutting edge bolted on here, but it's cracked up here down. You can see it's cracked through here. The bucket does still operate, but it's just not in the best operating condition. Here's on around to the back. Manual disconnect. It doesn't have the hydraulic quick attach. It's the auxiliary hydraulics. Boom. The sheet metal and paint and decals are in pretty good condition. It's equipped with standard ROPS. You can see there are some scratches around the back here. Underneath. It's in pretty nice condition all the way around. The engine. Muffler is in good condition. Fan. The seat is in fair condition. You can see there are some cracks in the seat. The cushion is not all the way in the frame. Controls are in good shape. Back fabric there is in pretty good condition. Control panel. Here we have the fuel gauge, the light, here's the controls. Yes, fuel pedal works good. The components on this machine are in good running and operating condition. The machine starts right up and it runs out very well. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email, give me a phone call or a text message, and I'll do the best I can to help you out. Thank you very much and have a great day.